the most asked question today. Everyone is wondering about it. Most have an opinion about it also. So we thought, let's get PhD level intelligence to weigh in on this matter. Not one, but 6 experts. We asked our 6 favorite AI bots the most asked question of the moment. Are we in an AI bubble? And of course, our bots, they never agree. But we force them to give a clear answer. Yes or no. Nothing in between. And here's what happened. And what they said might surprise you. So here's the verdict. We'll give it to you first. Out of the 6 AI bots, 4 said yes, we are in an AI bubble. Only 2, Claude and ChatGPT, said no. That's a 4-2 split. Majority rules, so yes, we say we are in a bubble. But both sides had strong arguments. Let's break them down, listen to them, and then decide for yourself whether we are in an AI bubble or not. So let's start with the yays. Are we in an AI bubble? Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot, and Grok all agree. AI is overheated, overhyped, and overpriced. What are their key reasons? They gave us 5. The first is extreme disconnect between valuation and revenue. Market caps have exploded. Companies like Nvidia are hitting $5 trillion valuations, far beyond what fundamentals justify. At number 2 is speculative capital and circular financing. These trillions of dollars that are being recycled between big tech firms, cloud providers, and chip makers and model companies, inflating each other's numbers and demand. Number 3, we've got the AI productivity paradox. The tech promise is massive, but the ROI across industries is still limited. Pilot fatigue is real. Many enterprises are stuck between experimentation and scale, and we have not had one really big win. At number 4, we've got overvaluation and overinvestment with every hype cycle. Startups are raising billions before even proving there's a product market fit. The AI funding rush mirrors or even passes the dot-com boom, where capital flooded in long before profits arrived. And number 5 is overcapacity and concentration risk. This $500 billion annual spend on AI infrastructure could overshoot real demand. And one company, Nvidia, now accounts for nearly 8% of the total market cap. And the big 8 are driving fundamentally all of the growth in the stock markets. Let's talk about the nays. We're not in an AI bubble. Claude and ChatGPT argue this time it's different, and they give us 5 reasons why. AI is real, it's revenue-backed, and already reshaping industries. At number 1 is real profits and measurable growth. Nvidia's $30 billion quarterly revenue, Microsoft's $10 billion AI run rate, and Google having its best quarter ever. This is tangible productivity gains that prove there is real demand. At number 2 is the massive infrastructure build-out. Over $200 billion annually is being spent on chips, energy, and data center. Physical assets, not speculative code. At number 3, they say proven enterprise ROI. Businesses are already seeing between 20% to 40% productivity boost from AI copilots, customer service automation, and analytics. And at number 4, we've got that this is a structural shift, not short-term hype. AI is the next major platform, like the internet or mobile, or even more electricity. It's embedding itself into tools used by billions daily, whether it be ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Google Search, or Adobe Firefly. At number 5, this is creating a tangible ecosystem value. These companies own models, they have chips, they've got IP, and they've got infrastructure, unlike the vaporware of 1999. So let's get to what are your thoughts? What is the conclusion? So are we in an AI bubble? If you go by the bots, the majority says yes, and it's hard to ignore the signals. Sky high valuations, massive hype, and suddenly everyone is claiming to be AI first or an AI company. So yes, I think we are in a bubble, but bubbles don't mean that the tech isn't real. That just means that the excitement is outrunning the economics. As Mark Andreessen says, after every bubble comes the boom that lasts. Even after the dot-com crash, we got Amazon, we got Google, and we got the modern internet. So if there is an AI bubble, it might just be the price of progress.